Hi! Do you want to know how to express professions in Chinese? Do you want not only to learn but also to practice speaking? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, we will look at some related vocabulary, sentence structures, and practice speaking. Let's look at the vocabulary. 医生，医生，医生。护士，护士，护士。老师，老师，老师。学生，学生，学生。工程师，工程师，工程师。销售员，销售员，销售员。Let's look at some sentence structures. Let's look at the first sentence structure. 你做什么工作？你 means you. 做 means do. 什么 means what or what kind of. 工作 means work or job. 你做什么工作？ Literally, word by word, it means you do what kind of work. So in English, what do you do for work? What's your job? We say, 你做什么工作？我是，你呢？ That's another sentence structure. 我 means I. 是 means am. Am, is, or are. It's the same verb in Chinese. 是。你 means you. 你呢 means and you. So, for example, 我是老师，你呢？老师 means teacher. I'm a teacher. And you? 我是老师，你呢？我喜欢的工作。That's another sentence structure. 我 means I. 喜欢 means like. 工作 means job. 的工作 means the job of a profession. For example, 我喜欢护士的工作。I like the job of a nurse. 护士 means a nurse. 我喜欢护士的工作。Let's look at another sentence structure. 我不喜欢的工作。不 means don't or doesn't. We use 不 to form a negative sentence. 不喜欢 means don't like. If you want to say he doesn't like, it's the same verb, 不喜欢。So, for example, 我不喜欢销售员的工作。销售员 means a salesperson. 我不喜欢销售员的工作。I don't like the job of salesperson. Do you remember the vocabulary and the sentence structures? It's time for the practice. How do you say, what do you do for work in Chinese? Do you have the answer? Could you say it out loud, please? 你做什么工作？你做什么工作？ What about I am? And you in Chinese? Could you say it out loud, please? 我是，你呢？我是，你呢？ I'm a teacher, and you? How do we say that in Chinese? Do you know? Repeat out loud, please. 我是老师，你呢？我是老师，你呢？ How do we say I'm a student in Chinese? Please say it out loud. 我是学生，我是学生。I like the job of a nurse. How do you say that? Do you know? Do you have the answer? 我喜欢护士的工作。我喜欢护士的工作。What about this sentence? I like the job of an engineer. How do we say engineer in Chinese? 工程师。I like the job of an engineer. 我喜欢工程师的工作。我喜欢工程师的工作。What about this sentence? Do you know how to say, I like the job of a salesperson in Chinese? 我不喜欢销售员的工作。我不喜欢销售员的工作。Could you say it out loud, please? 我不喜欢销售员的工作。What about this? I don't like the job of a doctor. How do we say that? 我不喜欢医生的工作。Please repeat after me. 我不喜欢医生的工作。I hope you enjoy watching. Please leave me your comments below and let me know the topics you like. I can make more videos related to your interests. See you in the next one. Bye.